Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting straight to the right place. Open YouTube and sign in, then tap your profile and go to Data Controls, History, and Privacy. Once there, choose Manage All Activity or Search History so you see the exact query is stored. You do this because YouTube ties suggestions to that list. Removing items changes future suggestions. Now, scan the list and prepare to remove single entries or entire chunks. Don't stop here. Move to the core step to actually delete. Next, focus on precise removal. Use the search box filter or date picker to find specific queries, then tap the three-dot menu beside each result and choose Delete. If you need bulk action, use Select or the checkboxes and remove multiple entries at once. This saves time. If you prefer a big reset, hit Clear Search History to wipe everything. Make sure to consider Pause History if you want no new entries recorded. That prevents future suggestions from rebuilding immediately. Finish by verifying that your removals took effect. Refresh YouTube and type related words to see if suggestions changed. If items reappear, check your linked Google account web and app activity. Searches can be logged there too, so clear or pause that activity. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, or clear the app cache. You can also test in a browser incognito window to isolate account versus device issues. Finally, make sure you paused history if you want.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.